Alright, so as you guys know, with any cleaning or organizing or tidying project I do, I always like to remove all of the items first from the area that I'm organizing and then clean the area super good before I even get started with the organizing process.
Now look at all the space we have in there to use. It's kind of tricky because it's underneath the stairs and has this slanted wall, but there actually is quite a bit of space for a European apartment to store things in here. So I'm going to clean it out and then get organizing. Okay, now that things are looking nice and clean, I'm going to kind of put like things together and come up with some storage solutions for this closet so we can fit everything in there, but then so that it's also very easily accessible. So join me for that. Let's get the headliner, 'cause they can't do the things you do to me. We about to start a fire. One of the Marie Kondo methods that I actually really like is when you have bags to store your big bags, store your little bags inside your big bags. And so I have a bunch of like produce bags and little small bags that I bring to the grocery store. And then I have some of these really big bags that I bring to the grocery store. So I thought I would store my bags within a bag because then they're easily accessible and are all together in one spot. So here we go. So one solution I came up with was we had this recycling bag kind of in the closet there, and we had our garbage bin right here. So what we're gonna do is turn this bin into a recycling bin, and then we got 2 garbage cans at IKEA that fit right inside here perfectly underneath our sink. So we're gonna use that for garbage instead and use this for recycling, which is going to take this bag out of the storage closet. So there's one thing, and then the next thing is our pile of coats. We have so many coats and so many tote bags, as you can see there, and we're going to go ahead and go through those, make sure we only have ones that we really, really love, and get rid of the ones that we don't, because we just don't have room to store a bunch of extra things that we don't use. So I'm going to do that now. Down here I have a few items that are like winter only items, so I'm going to stick them in our closet upstairs where we have some extra room in the guest room, because that's where we like to keep our winter stuff. So we'll swap winter and summer specific stuff out as the seasons change. So as it's warmer now, I'm not going to need a few of these things, like the insulated little burrito basket that goes inside my daughter's stroller, or some of the heavy winter coats, so I'll be able to take some of those upstairs, and that will be a good way to clear out some space in this closet. So I'm gonna make a pile of the things that go upstairs. Got your hands all in my pockets. If you started, I won't stop it. Yeah, baby, I can hear your body talking. these are two big piles of things that we are getting rid of. So on King's Day here, apparently it's like a giant celebration on the King's birthday, and everyone goes out on the streets. It's like a 2-day long party, which is going to be really fun. I will definitely be recording some of it for you guys. But yeah, so you bring your stuff outside and you like sell it like a flea market. So those 2 boxes of things we're actually going to just sell to our neighbors, and whatever they don't want, we're just going to set that as a free box and toss the rest of it, I guess. But it's mostly like clothes and random household items that we just can't use here. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do with those 2 giant boxes. It's so much stuff.
Alright guys, so stay tuned to the very end if you want to see my yoga room unveiled. I'm putting together a lamp from IKEA here that's going to go in the yoga room, and then I will go upstairs and show you guys what that looks like.
Watch you blossom.